सर्वोदय नमस्कार student. This is Mahesh here. Today I am telling you a story that has been written by Ruskin Bond from Standard 10th from the book of Footprint, Chapter 2, The Thief's Story. Before telling you the story, I am telling you something about the writer Ruskin Bond. He was born on 19th of May 1944. He was a famous Indian writer. He has written many novels and even a story for the student. And all his novel and story are famous in all over India and even in the world. From all his story, here you have to study a story about a thief. This is a very interesting story and it gives a very good moral impact on the life of a student, even on a normal human being. There are main two characters of this lesson: the thief himself and his companion friend named Anil. Actually, from the present lesson, the narrator was the thief himself, and he is telling the story about himself to the readers, to us. The narrator, the thief, said that he was only 15 years old and was a very good thief, mature thief. He used to steal every house, every person for his living. One day, he reached to Anil to cheat him. But after looking the attitude of Anil, he thought himself that Anil was a very good man, very good personality. He was only 25 years old and he has a very positive attitude, a simple and careless person. It is very difficult to cheat it is very difficult to cheat an honest people. This is with him, the character himself, the narrator himself. नैरेटर के लिए काम करना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया कि एक ईमानदार को कैसे चीट करे. Yet he was trying his best to cheat Anil. He went near him, and that time Anil was watching a match of wrestling.
Yes sir, Anshu hai sir.
Sitting beside Anil, the thief asked him,
Anshu Kumari sir.
if you are a very good wrestler,
Sir,
as you liked to watch the wrestling match, but the personality of Anil was not very good, so that he was like a wrestler. He think himself and replied to the thief that you too looking like a wrestler. The answer of Anil was not affordable for the thief, because the thief has not a very good personality like a wrestler. He was a thin and weak child because he was only 15 years old. Yet he tried his best to convince Anil, and thereafter he succeeded in convincing Anil. Anil accepted the thief as his servant in his own house. But that time Anil was a short story writer. He used to write short story for a magazine, local magazine, but the earning path of him is not very good. He has not a earning man. That is why he asked the thief that he cannot give him a salary. Yet the thief accepted Anil's request that he can do the job without any paying any salary. He can do the job only for meal. Anil accepted the proposal of the thief. One day in the house, Anil asked the thief if you know how to cook food. That time the thief told a lie to Anil that he can make the food very properly, but actually he didn't know how to make food, how to prepare meal. Even after, he went to the kitchen and cooked food for Anil and himself. At night when the time at the time of meal, when the food is displayed in front of Anil started eating and जैसे ही उसने खाने की कोशिश की, the taste of the food was not very good. It was a dirty smelly. He threw the food in front of the stray dog and chided the thief. The thief accepted that he did not know how to make food in a humble manner. Anil thought that the man is innocent. You think about the thief that the man is innocent and he did not know how to prepare food. Then Anil said, I will teach you how to make food. After there, Anil used to teach him every day in the kitchen room that how to prepare food. After few days, the thief know how to make a very good food and tasty food. Then after, in the leisure time, Anil used to teach him also alphabetical A, B, C, Ka, Kha, Ga, blah, blah, blah and blah. And slowly the thief learned how to write a word, even write a sentence. In alone, when Anil was not at home, the thief thought that if I stay with Anil, he can learn how to write, how to learn. And thereafter, when he would learn how to write, how to learn, he will be a very big man. His earning capacity is going big. ये वो सोचता रहता था, अकेले में जब भी वो होता था वो सोचता रहता था कि जब मैं अनिल के द्वारा पढ़ लिख जाऊंगा तो मैं भी एक बड़ा आदमी बन जाऊंगा. But even after, sometimes in evil mind of the thief, it comes the idea of stealing. जब भी वो अकेला होता था तो वो सोचने लगता था कि कैसे मैं इसकी चोरी कर लूँ. एक बार Anil had written a short story for a local magazine, and that time the story was famous. Anil got as his earning money approx 600 in the note of 50. By collecting the notes of 50 as amount of 600, he put the money inside his bed, and at night after meal he went to sleep, and beside the bed of Anil the thief used to sleep. At that night the thief knew that Anil had got 600 rupees as an earning money. The thief was planning inside his mind how to steal the money and fled away from the Anil's house. At the midnight there was the moon that was shining in the sky, and the light of the moon comes into the balcony of Anil. In the midnight, the thief crawled very slowly near to the bed of Anil, and putting his hand under the bed of Anil very slowly and took out the note. After taking the note, he went out from the home by running. धीरे धीरे वो अपनी रनिंग स्पीड को कम कर लेता है. अब वो चलने लगता है. चलते चलते वो एक जगह रुक जाता है और फिर सोचने लगते हैं आई शुड काउंट द नोट हाउ मच मनी आई हैव स्टोलन. देयर ही काउंट द मनी and he found that it is 600 rupees in the note of 50. He thought it was the time of 10 o'clock in the night and there was a train for Lucknow at 10:30 PM. उसने सोचा कि अभी 10 बज रहा है, रात को 10:30 बजे लखनऊ जाने के लिए एक एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है. उस ट्रेन को वो पकड़ कर लखनऊ चला जाएगा, अनिल से बहुत दूर. When he reached the station, nearby station, he reached the station. He didn't went near the ticket counter, but at the platform. जैसे ही वो प्लेटफॉर्म पर पहुंचा, ट्रेन खुल चुकी थी. If he wanted to catch the train, he can catch, but he stopped himself and did not get into the train. The train moved away from the station. वो सोचने लगा, जब ट्रेन चली गई वह सोचने लगा कि अब ट्रेन भी चली गई और मैंने ट्रेन भी नहीं पकड़ा. What I have to do right now. वह स्टेशन के बाहर आया और फिर सोचने लगा कि अब मैं क्या करूं. मैंने चोरी कर ली, अब मैं अनिल के घर भी वापस नहीं जा सकता. उस शहर में वो अनजान था, उसका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं था अनिल के सिवा. तभी देयर वॉज अ ड्रिजलिंग रिमझिम बारिश होने लगी. ठंड का भी मौसम था. वो पानी में भीग गया, उसे ठंड भी लगने लगी और इवन उसके साथ साथ उसके साथ जो नोट था चोरी किया हुआ 600 रुपीज़, वो भी गीला हो गया. वो परेशान हो गया, सोचने लगा व्हाट आई हैव टू डू. ही वेंट नियर अ पार्क एंड ऑन अ चेयर sat there and thinking about the incident or accident that he had done. After thinking a long time, he thought that there is no any friend except Anil in that town. अब उसके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था अनिल के पास वापस जाने का. वो वापस अनिल के पास चुपके से चला जाता है, फिर क्लॉडिंग करके उसके रूम में रेंगते हुए घुटने के बल उसके रूम में चला जाता है, चुपके से सो जाता है और जो उसने पैसे चोरी किए थे वो पैसे अपने पॉकेट से निकाल कर उसके बेड के अंदर डाल देता है. पैसा डालने के बाद ही गॉट अ स्लीप, सो जाता है. सुबह होती है, सुबह अनिल अपने नींद से जाग उठता है, लेकिन वो चोर कंटिन्यूसली सोता रहता है. अनिल उसके जागने की प्रतीक्षा करता रहता है. जब अनिल अपने नींद से जागता है, जागने के बाद अनिल अपने बेड के अंदर से पैसे निकालते हैं और उसमें से 50 रुपीज़ उस चोर को देते हैं और कहते हैं यू शुड गो टू द सिनेमा टुडे, आई विल गिव यू द मनी फॉर द सिनेमा एंड यू शुड गो देयर. उसकी बात को सुनकर चोर को लगता है, ऐसा लगता है जैसे उसकी चोरी पकड़ी गई हो. अनिल समझ गया है कि उसकी चोरी पकड़ी गई. फिर भी अनिल ये सारा कुछ जानता था कि वो एक चोर है और वो चोरी करने आया. और चोरी करने के बाद वो चला भी गया था, इवन जबकि उसका नोट भी गीला था. गीले नोट को देखकर, उसकी बॉडी को गीले देखकर वो समझ गया कि ये चोर है, पहले से भी जानता था वो. तभी वो इस बात को उसके सामने कभी प्रकट नहीं किया. अब चोर अनिल की पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड को देखकर उसमें जो साइकोलॉजिकल चेंजेज आए हैं, दिस इज़ द एक्चुअल मोरल ऑफ दिस लेसन. एक चोर जो एक पॉजिटिव व्यक्ति के साथ रहकर, एक सिंपल मैन के साथ रहकर अपने साइकोलॉजिकल एटीट्यूड को, जो एक चोर था एक सिंपल मैन में चेंज कर लेता है. अब वो सोचने को मजबूर हो जाता है कि मैं एक ऑनेस्ट व्यक्ति को, एक ईमानदार व्यक्ति को इस तरह चीट नहीं कर सकता. उसने चोरियां तो बहुत की थी, लेकिन ऐसा चोरी उसके जीवन में पहले कभी नहीं आया। वो सोचता था कि जब भी मैं चोरी कर लेता हूँ तो अलग अलग क्वालिटी के इंसान की अलग अलग चेहरे का एक्सप्रेशन हो जाता है आफ्टर द थीफिंग। जैसे गरीब लोग कि घर में चोरी आ जाए तो वो सोचने लगते हैं कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, चोरी हो गया, अपनी गरीब वाली एटीट्यूड शो करते हैं। अमीर के घर में जब चोरी हो जाती है तो वो गुस्सा शो करते हैं। लेकिन अनिल एक ऐसा आदमी था जिसके चेहरे पर न गुस्सा थी और न सैडनेस, बट देयर इज़ ओनली पॉजिटिव फीलिंग दैट कम्स आउट फ्रॉम द फेस ऑफ अनिल। और वही पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड उस चोर में एक बहुत अच्छा चेंज लाता है। अब वो सोचने लगता है कि मैं अब चोरी नहीं करूँगा, कभी भी जीवन में अब मैं चोरी नहीं करूँगा। मैं अनिल के साथ ही रहूँगा और उससे पढ़ना लिखना सीखूँगा, और जब मैं पढ़ लिख जाऊँगा तो एक बहुत बड़ा आदमी बनूँगा। The story is in now. I hope you can get the lesson very well. If any problem there is in the video, when the school will reopen, I will clear out all problems. Thank you. Stay home, safe at home. Thank you. Sarvodaya Namaskar. Oh, ma.